How to turn on or turn off active status on Facebook. Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel, and today we are back again with a new video. So without any delay, let's get into it. For that, firstly open Facebook app, click on three lines at the top right corner. Scroll down and go to settings and privacy, and then after go to settings again. Scroll down until you see the option of active status. You will be able to find that option under audience and visibility. Once you do, simply click on it. And if you want to turn off your active status, simply toggle on this feature at the top right corner. To turn it back on, click on the same icon, and then you're good to go. So that's it. I hope you found this video helpful. If you did, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for such tutorial. Thank you for watching till the end.